How to fix video call sound problem easily and fast on Messenger. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open the apps, and now wait a few seconds right here. Let's wait and wait. Now scroll until you find Facebook Messenger. Click on Messenger right here, click on force stop, and now this app, as you can see, may stop working properly if you force stop it. Anyway, click on force stop and then go back, click on the permissions. When you click on permissions, make sure to turn on all the permissions and then go back again, click on data usage, and now right here disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, and now all what you want to do next is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.